dive into coding fun with Scratch. Hey there, future coding geniuses. Welcome to NexLeval Tech, where we make learning to code so much fun, even your pet goldfish will want to join. Okay, maybe not your goldfish, but still. Today, we're diving into the world of Scratch. No, it's not a cat video platform, although there is a cat involved. You'll see what I mean. Scratch is a super cool block-based coding platform made just for kids like you. Imagine building games, animations, or stories, all without needing to type those scary, endless lines of code. You know, the ones that make adults pull their hair out. Instead of typing, Scratch uses colorful building blocks that snap together like Lego pieces. So you can focus on being creative without worrying about messing up your code. Pretty awesome, right? But why learn coding, you ask? Great question. Coding isn't just about making games. It's like a superpower for the future. It helps you solve problems, think like a genius, and even boss your computer around. Politely, of course. We don't want to upset the robots. And let's be real, wouldn't it be cool to tell your friends, "Oh yeah, I made my own game last night. No big deal." Boom, instant coolest kid in the room. Now let's take a quick tour of Scratch. This is where the magic happens. Meet the gang. First up, we've got Sprites. Think of them as the stars of your show. They're your characters, objects, or even talking pineapples if you're feeling fruity. Next, backdrops. It's like the background of a movie scene. Jungle, outer space, or grandma's kitchen. Choose your vibe. And here are the code blocks. Colorful little heroes that tell your sprites what to do. Just drag, drop, and snap. No glue required. All right, let's make this cute little cat do something amazing, like move, because standing still is so last season. First, we'll grab the when green flag clicked block. Think of this as the cat's go button. Without it, the cat's just sitting there, staring, judging you. Next, we'll grab the move 10 steps block. Snap it on like a pro, and voila. You've just given life to your sprite. Let's hit that green flag and watch this kitty strut its stuff. Look at that! Our cat just moonwalked across the screen. Michael Jackson would be proud. See? Coding isn't scary, it's fun, and we're just getting started. In the next episode, we'll dive into loops and make this cat do some serious breakdancing. Don't miss it. Until then, keep dreaming, keep coding, and remember, if a cat can code, so can you.
If you're enjoying the content, like and subscribe to NexLeval Tech for videos like these and more.